3 reasons why girls don't like you. Why the fuck don't girls like me? Yeah, I know. It's a question that eats you alive. You see other guys getting attention from girls like it's nothing, but when you try, it's just awkward silences, ghosted texts, or straight up rejection. Maybe you've been crushing on a girl for months, but she acts like you don't exist. Maybe she flirts a little, but when you actually try to make a move, she hits you with the classic, I just see you as a friend. Or maybe she was into you at first, but suddenly she lost interest, started ignoring your messages, and now she's fucking some other dude who isn't even as good looking as you. And here you are losing your mind asking, what the fuck did I do wrong? Well, listen up, motherfucker, because I'm about to break it down for you. There are 3 major reasons why girls don't like you. And if you're fucking up in any of these, it's time to fix that shit. 1. You're too fucking needy. Being needy is like putting a fucking do not date me sign on your forehead. Girls hate needy guys. And the worst part, most guys don't even realize they're doing it. You text her first every damn time. You double text when she doesn't reply. You over-compliment her like she's the last girl on earth. You always ask to hang out instead of making plans. You keep waiting for her to like you instead of doing something about it. And if she ignores your text, you send some desperate shitty like, did I do something wrong? Or why are you ignoring me? Dude, stop. You are killing her attraction every time you act like she's your only source of happiness. Girls don't want a guy who needs them. They want a guy who's focused on his own life, who's got shit going on, and who isn't sitting around waiting for them to text back. If you want her to like you, stop being so damn available. Let her text you first sometimes. Make her wonder what you're up to instead of always checking on her. Stop making her the center of your fucking universe. Once you stop acting like a desperate little bitch, you'll be amazed at how much more attractive you become. 2. You're too fucking feminine. This isn't about muscles. This isn't about how much money you have. This is about your energy. Attraction works on polarity. The more masculine you are, the more feminine energy will be drawn to you. But if you act like a weak, emotional little motherfucker, don't be surprised when she loses interest. What does being too feminine look like? You seek her approval constantly, but you let her control the relationship. You act more emotional than she does. And you post sad boy shit on social media like, I just want to be loved. Bro, WTF. Women don't respect guys who put them on a fucking pedestal. You ever see a hot girl with a weak, overly emotional dude? Hell no. She wants a man who takes the lead. That doesn't mean you have to be some cold, emotionless robot, but for fuck's sake, don't act like a soft little bitch. If she senses that she has more control over the relationship than you, she will lose attraction instantly. You think women want a guy who cries over every little thing? Hell no. They want a man, someone who can handle shit, someone who doesn't break down over a fucking text message. So if you feel the urge to beg for her attention or write some corny emotional shit online, don't do it. The moment you stop acting like a little motherfucker, the more women will actually start respecting and wanting you. 3. You look like shit and don't take care of yourself. Let's keep it real. Looks matter. No, you don't need to be a fucking supermodel, but if you're walking around looking like a greasy, unkempt, sloppy piece of shit, don't be surprised when no girls want you. Most guys aren't actually ugly. They're just lazy as fuck. You don't hit the gym. You dress like you just rolled out of bed. Your hair looks like shit. You smell like you haven't showered in days. And then you sit there wondering why the fuck girls aren't into you. Bro, it's not rocket science. Hit the gym. No, you don't need to be a bodybuilder, but get in decent shape. If you're overweight, fix it. If you're skinny, put on some muscle. Fix your hygiene. Brush your fucking teeth. Use deodorant. Get a proper haircut. Dress like someone who actually gives a shit. Get some clothes that fit you properly. Stop wearing wrinkled ass, outdated, baggy clothes from 2008. When you actually try, you automatically move up the attractiveness scale. A guy who was a 4 can become a 7 just by improving his grooming, body language, and style. So stop making excuses and start leveling up. The fucking solution. What you need to do now. Okay, now that you know the 3 biggest reasons why girls don't like you, here's how to actually fix this shit. 1. Stop being needy. If she doesn't text you back, don't text again. Stop treating her like a fucking goddess. Be focused on your own damn life. Start a new hobby, hit the gym, or grind on your goals. 2. Stop acting weak and emotional. Don't cry to her about your problem. Handle your shit like a man. Don't seek her validation. Seek your own self-respect. Be confident. Take the lead. Stop asking, what do you want to do? And start making decisions. 3. Take care of your fucking appearance. Start working out. Lift some weights. Run. Just do something. Get a clean haircut. Dress well. And for fuck's sake, take a shower every day. Fix your posture. Walk with confidence. Stop looking down at the ground like a scared little boy. The bottom line, girls don't want weak, needy, or lazy men. They want guys who handle their shit. So if you've been wondering why the fuck girls aren't into you, take a good look at yourself. Are you acting desperate? Are you too emotional and weak? Are you walking around looking like a fucking mess? If the answer is yes, fix that shit immediately. And once you do, you'll be shocked at how fast things start changing for you. Now stop being a little bitch and get to work.